Hi everyone, Steven here with eTrailer. Today we're taking a look at our Firestone Ride-Rite airbags with the complete kit. You're going to have the easy mount compressor and the in-cab control gauge as well. Now these are rated for 5,000 pounds capacity. They are a custom fit, so make sure you're checking the fit guide at etrailer.com where it says my vehicle information, and things like your make and model, and any other questions that ask you to be sure you get the right parts the first time. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of parts here on the table. Basically, you got your airbags, all the brackets needed to mount that. It is a precision made kit, so it's going to bolt straight into the factory attachment points on the vehicle. You have the bags with the brackets, and then you also have the compressor with its own bracketry to go and be installed as well. So you should have no drilling whatsoever. In some vehicles, you may have minimal drilling, maybe one or two holes need enlarged or something like that, but 99% of them, it's no drilling whatsoever. So it's an easy installation. Just follow the instructions, you should be good. And as you can see, you're getting a whole lot of hardware. That's all your nuts, bolts, your Schrader valves for the airbags, cable ties, the T-fittings that are push connect fittings for the airline tube. Make sure that when you're cutting the airline tube to length, you're getting a nice clean cut. The installers here have told me over the years that's the biggest area where they've ever seen air leaks, if any, is that fitting. When you push it in, you need to have a straightest cut as possible to make that seal up as best as you can. And of course the airbags, these are very nice. Firestone's been around for ages. They make an amazing product if you need to get your ride back level. So why do we want airbags? Why we need them? Well, if you're towing and maybe you're squatting right where you're hooked up on your tongue weight and those kind of things in the rear, this will get you back to a normal ride height. That's going to keep your headlights back up level versus pointing at the sky. It's going to give you traction back on your front wheels, and it's going to give you a better overall ride. And with this kit, it's very convenient to simply be able to inflate or deflate from inside the cab. And this is what we would call a single path kit, meaning you can either go up or down both bags at the same time. So it's going to be very easy to operate whenever the time comes for you to add or remove air as needed. Well, folks, there's a lot of information, a lot of parts. Reach out to us if you have any questions about this or any other kits we carry, and have a great day.